That's William on a skateboard. You want to skateboard in there?
Watch a skate video with William on TV. Do it right here, honey. Do some really good tricks. Oh, that's bread to take home, honey, for your sandwich tomorrow. Let Daddy get some pictures of you.
Get our skateboard, William. Get our skateboard. No.
Do some skate video, honey.
William doing nothing right now. William, are you going to entertain us?
Dripping. It keeps dripping great juice.
William, want to go ride it? You ride your skateboard? Ride your skateboard. What are you doing? We're like almost the same height now. That's stupid.
Oh, so racket. Hey.
Uh-oh, he sees the racket.
Get the racket.
Oh, you got the racket. You get the racket.
It's a racket. Hey, get tennis ball.
With the tennis ball. Here's a tennis ball. Boom!
Get the racket. The baby racket.
Where's the baby racket?
My baby racket.
Where is it?
William, I'm gonna make you some beans and